Hello guys, how are you? How are you doing? I'm great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Florence Okutu. In case you're new here, and my channel is all about recipes, vlogs, lifestyle. Yeah, so if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so that you can be part of this amazing family and so that you can get notified every time when I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always being here. And today guys, I'm going to give you a chicken crumb recipe. My friend requested for it, and so that's what I'm going to give you guys today. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. Ta-da! So guys, let's start cooking. Here I have everything that I'll need today for the chicken crumbs recipe. I have my drumsticks, the 6 pieces, and then I have baking flour, and then I have my eggs. I also have breadcrumbs, which are very important for this recipe. This bowl is empty. I'll use it to put my drumsticks. And then here I have my spices. I have curry powder. This is curry powder, and then a little bit of black pepper, paprika, and this is mixed spices. Guys, you can add any spice that you feel comfortable with. Here I have my garlic cloves and ginger, which I'll use while boiling the chicken, guys. It does magic. These, trust me, they do a lot of magic to your chicken. So please don't leave them out when doing the chicken crumbs recipe. And here, this is my salt, guys. Yeah, which I'm also going to use to boil the chicken. So let's start. So I'm first going to marinate these drumsticks using salt and the spices. So I'm going to add enough salt to the drumsticks. And then add my spices. And then mix them. Until everything in this bowl is evenly mixed. Guys, marinating the drumsticks with the spices helps to give it a good taste. Guys, I'm going to put this drumstick in this sufuria. And then add this ginger and garlic cloves. After that, I'll add water and put it to boil for a few minutes before frying them. Yes. This is broiler chicken. It doesn't require a lot of water to boil. It shouldn't boil for a long time. So I'm just going to add the amount of water needed to boil the drumstick for a while. And yes, see you guys after that. So guys, this my boiled drumsticks, they're perfect, and you guys can see they look yummy. They're actually eatable in this state, but since you want crumb the crumb recipe, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the whole process, the whole procedure. So guys, the first thing that you do is take a drumstick and then dip it inside the baking flour. Make sure it's covered in baking flour, and then after that you dip it in your eggs. You dip it in your eggs and then roll it until it's covered in eggs. And then the next procedure, guys, is dip it inside the breadcrumbs and ensure the whole of the drumstick is covered in breadcrumbs. After the procedure, guys, you put your drumstick aside and then repeat the whole procedure. That is taking a drumstick, dipping it in the baking flour until it's all covered in flour, and then dipping it inside your eggs. So guys, it's a very easy process. After that, after dipping it in the eggs, you dip it in the breadcrumbs and roll it until the whole drumstick is covered in breadcrumbs, and then put it aside. And you repeat this process for all your drumsticks. Yeah guys, so this is the final product after dipping them in the flour, the eggs, and the breadcrumbs. So we're going to fry these drumsticks. Yes. So guys, in a frying pan, I'll add enough oil. So guys, in this frying pan, I'm going to put all the pieces that I have of drumsticks. And then let them fry till they're golden brown. Yes. So guys, as you can see, the drumsticks have turned brown. I'm waiting for the other side of the drumsticks to turn brown so that I can remove them from the pan. Yes. They said, don't fall, don't forget. This is the final product, and trust me, you can easily make this at the comfort of your home. Please try this recipe. Trust me, it's everything. And thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, please remember to share, and leave your comments down there, and please tell me the recipe that you guys would like me. I would love me to try next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Till it's all said and done, you won't know